If your barbecue has seen better days like mine, and your grill is starting to look really worn out and gross, and you don't want that touching your food, well, there are other solutions. Now, when you're replacing grills, you'll see there's usually a 1/2 inch lip up there and like a 1/2 inch lip down here. So the grills don't have to fit exactly. They have a bit of wiggle room. So measure it as well as you can from there to there and from here to here. And in this case, instead of going with a 2-pack like it originally came with, I went with a 4-pack, and I'll show you how well it fits. Just gonna lay it there, then I'm gonna lay it here, and there it is. There's one of them. Now I'm gonna give it a bit of a cleaning before I put all the grills in place, but still, I mean, that's just how easy it is. Don't replace the barbecue, just replace the grill. Just like that, brand new, ready to go. I'm gonna heat it up and let it cook off any oils or anything that might be on there for a while, but brand new grill. Don't replace the barbecue, just replace the grill. It's that easy. Save yourself hundreds of dollars.